Okay, what's up guys? This is your boy Easy here. So we're going to basically be doing a review for the new Dbrand Killswitch 2. So this is basically the update version right here. And we're going to be basically talking about some of the new things that they updated on the Killswitch 2. So here's the Killswitch 2 right here. As you can see right there. And I'm just going to take it out. So just basically just take this out right here. Now I did have skins that came with it, but I like mines that I'm actually dealing with because mines just look a little bit better. Right here, I do have this on my RG Ally and my Joy-Cons and everything else like that. And right here, as you can see, I do love the Warzone one that came with it. I might just buy the full body version, but I do love these right here. The other one has texture on it. I want to do another video talking about the texture ones like that, so I do have to go inside my own closet and grab those. But these are the new Joy-Cons right here. As you can see right here, we have a lip right here, right there. So that's the new attachments. That's basically towards it to keep the thing, and they removed that part right here. That was normally, I believe it was, no, it was right here. It was this part right here that had a lip on it right there that went over on it, and it basically stopped it from connecting and causing the failure towards the stuff. So now you don't have to worry about it. As you can see, for you to actually really knock this off, you gotta really shake the crap out of it just to get it off. But I do love these. If y'all know, I was using a Play Vital from eXtremeRate, and I've been using these this case. Now I just wish Dbrand had a see-through case like that, something like this. I've been using this. The reason why I like this is because this part of the grip is basically like the Dbrand one, like that. J-Sacks do have a see-through one that's kind of like this back right here, but it's fully see-through. They have one that's this color and one that's in black. It comes with two grips, one like this, and the other one that's kind of like this one right here. So you get that. It is a removable one, so it's basically removable just like these right there. So you get the white one, which is going to be a clear grip. Mouse Joy-Con, there's going to be a clear Joy-Con grip like that, which is going to be detachable. It's going to be completely white, this color, or you can get it in black, so it's more like a darkish black color, something like this right here. So you're basically getting in this color with this right here with two extra attachments. You get this version and this version like that. But yeah, I love this case. This was using it ever since they sent it out to me, and I've been rocking with it for a while. But I do like the fact of this. I am going to leave this case on. I just wish Dbrand made a clear one, or at least made some that actually had skins on it. I kind of like tweeted that out to Dbrand and told him why y'all just won't make a full body case like this with the actual skins that's already on it. I'll buy that like ASAP. I'm not going to cap, but yeah, I do like it. Grips is fine. I do like the ergo on here, the way how this actually is. So I do like using it like that. So yeah, let's talk about the new dock that comes with the Killswitch 2. So let me just unplug everything back here real quick. The cords. Okay. As you can see, I got the nice little skin right here on mine. So, what's different between this one and the version that the V1s? So basically, the V1s is, I believe, is a little bit thicker, a little bit bigger, and a little bit more thicker. They changed around a lot of the way how the stuff is. So now, the ones that actually got this one off the V1s. Y'all got basically called, I forgot the name of it. I forgot the name of it. It's something the pad. I forgot the name of the pad. Retention pads, whatever. I just don't remember the name of it. But if you look right there, when I looked at the other versions, this was not there on the first version, the V1s, and This one is a little bit smaller and has more of a tightness towards it. So once it gets inside this dock, it basically locks itself down and it's real snug. As you can see right there, I literally can't push it in, and I gotta put a lot of force in towards it. Now, once it's right there, I can't use one finger to push it. I gotta actually use two. And listen, it's locked in there, and it's not coming off. This thing is locked in solidly. And you can actually hear how hard it actually is, because it's actually removing some of my skin that I have on my Switch 2. So, yeah, this thing it's locked in there. It's locked. So, and you can actually hear it. You can hear exactly what's going on with it. That thing is locked in there. So now with this, this is more tighter. As you can see that. And it's more easier to dock it on here now. Right there. Just push it back. I don't know how people was just taking out. I don't understand how you guys is just removing the dock on top of it. You guys just rush and just remove stuff. For example, y'all was just like that. Like, who does that? And as you can see, it didn't come detached with it. But personally, that's what I would do. I don't understand how you guys is literally just trying to yank it up like that. Like, my whole thing when I first got my dock was put my hand right here, put my finger right here, push it forward, and just do that. That's just so simple. One-handed, two fingers, and able to remove it very, very quick. And then a lot of you guys were sitting up there talking about y'all can't get the thing on it because y'all scratching up the bottom of it. It's simple. I could just put my hand right here, lift it up with one finger. Like, I don't understand how you guys was having so many issues with this. Now, I do have a friend that had the V1, the version 1 with it. When I tried it on his, I never had the problem with it. It's probably because I'm just so in tune of removing it. Even with my standard one, when I would take my stuff out of the dock, I would just use two fingers. And this right here, like, I don't understand why you guys just can't do that. It's simple. A lot of y'all was doing that. Then when y'all was trying to do it, it was never docked on it. Then it was moving left and right like that. That's the reason why y'all was scratching the hell out of the bottom of y'all's like that. Only thing you had to do was just that. And one-handed. It's that easy. Let's turn it sideways. Let's see if I can do it. Keep that forward. No problem. I guess if you have it sideways, then it's the issue of trying to dock it. But my thing is, why would you have it sideways? I mean, if y'all don't have room inside your case, then I can understand y'all having issues trying to dock it, but I'm not having no issues whatsoever. Maybe if I can do it in the back without trying to see what the thing is. So let's just push that forward. Yeah, then I can see it like that. You scratching it up that way, but not being able to see it. But if it's this way or this way, it shouldn't be no reason why you scratching up your dock and can't see it in. Like that. Yeah, so it's a big difference on Twilget. I'm not seeing no problem with this one. It looks fine. I'm enjoying it. Pop it off, play. To be honest, I would like if they was able to make it that it can bypass the dock so it won't turn the screen off, and I'd be able to play it like this. This is something that I would love to be able to play with like this. Like, I don't know. I would like to be able to play like this and have my screen on at all times like this and play my games like this. Like this is something perfectly with your dock like that, and you got your cords that you can plug your USB cords and stuff in. When you get tired, just throw it in like that and charge it up. I mean, I don't know. I don't know, guys. But I'm gonna catch you guys later. Yeah, this is new, everything new right here. I'm enjoying this. This is gonna basically stay in my bag at all times. This is gonna go back on the dock, and I'm gonna continue playing my games. I do like the fact that I can do extra stuff with it. To be honest, I lost my my hype with this. That's basically because I waited nearly almost a month and a half, well, a month and a week to get this thing in the pre-order. So I kind of like lost my hype and interest in it. So yeah, I still can't get this thing on here. Y'all see I'm struggling, right? I'm struggling. You know, let's try to take this off real quick. Well, I probably can't get it on there, which that has nothing to do with it. It has to do more with this. Let's see if I can get this thing on. This is like a Nintendo. I don't know why Nintendo went about doing this crap, because it is so damn irritating trying to do that crap. All right, there we go. Slide this in. Make sure this thing is not scratching up. Keep that locked on here. Push that back. Got that right there. And throw my Switch 2 right there. And I'm locked, cocked, and ready to unload. So yeah, as you can see, it's good right there. Be able to play my games like that. Make sure y'all pick one of these up. As you can see, that infinity mirror. The adapters to use other Joy-Cons like the original Switch 2, the original Switch controllers like that. So yeah, there we go. So guys, I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa. Peace.